I appreciate you clicking on this video. Like, subscribe, click all the stuff down below. TikTok, Rambo Bikes, use TripleRwoods, Black Flag, use TripleRwoods. It'll save you a ton of money, helps the channel, appreciate it. Can't thank you guys enough. Let's get into it. All right, so TAC, Shot 3D, all that stuff's kind of on pause for a minute. I've got a total archery challenge coming up in July, so it's gonna be quite a bit. So this Marsupial backpack attachment that goes with my bino harness, which I really like. There are pros and cons, there's some things I would do differently, but I'm pretty much done with it for the most part. I'm gonna take it off and switch back to just the standard bino harness, because this is a little more clunky when it comes to attaching to just go out and get some reps and things like that. So I'm gonna, at least for now, take some of this out, and then we're going to put something new on this. All right, so Marsupial finally came out with something, and I think they knocked it out of the park, that allows you to carry a pistol behind your bino harness. There are other companies that have been doing this for a while. I've been really tempted to buy one or switch to them. They're expensive though, and I'm not sure how much I like them. So I bought the Marsupial one, and I think it's top notch. So I think it's worth the money that you're gonna spend. I do have the attachment to carry underneath the bino harness itself. For me, it comes down here, and for my gut, anytime you bend over, it's kind of in the way. I wasn't crazy about it, but I do have it. So this is the attachment, and then you also need to get the whatever holster you're going to use. This is the Eclipse Kydex holster with the Velcro on this. So this particular one is for a Glock 43 or 43X. So this side of this is going to be behind, it's going to be against your chest, and your bino harness will be in front of it. This holster here, you can attach, you can change the angle. The Velcro attaches really well. So you've got your holster on one side, which I'm right-handed, so I want it here. I can have a knife, I can have not binoculars, I can have my release, whatever else over here on this side, if you get the double panel one, which I strongly encourage you to. So to attach this, we just come in behind here, and you've got these little quick release clips. They send you a bunch of them if you buy like the bag, because I guess that's how you attach things to it. I'm not crazy about them, but they do work. It just seems like there would be an easier way. And I'm not sponsored by Marsupial in any way. I pay full price for all this stuff. But these two open, and then you come back here, you can clip them on and close them back up. So anything I say, I genuinely feel, because I'm not saying it to get any kind of promotion from Marsupial or whoever. So the top two are attached. Now I got to attach the bottom two, and they'll attach underneath the bino harness into this webbing right here. Of course, I've got a bunch of crap stuck on here from magnets. So these bottom gates, I think they call these gates, you'll open them and you'll attach them right there as well. So again, I wouldn't have this backpack on here. I'll probably have it on here for today just because I forgot the normal back part, but you can see this would attach here. You've got your attachment here for a pew-pew right there, and it's quick, easy draw to get it out. You might have to push on the harness a little bit, but you can see it doesn't move. It stays attached. It doesn't come off like I would. I was kind of concerned the Velcro, how well is that Velcro going to stay attached? But that's perfect if you ask me. So they sell a knife attachment as well. I went a little different route. Ordered Kydex off of eBay, heat gun, made my own. I've got, these are little screw-in attachments. You could use their rivet system as well if you wanted to go that way. This cost me about 25 bucks to make this, and I had enough Kydex to make another pistol one, and I still have Kydex left over. So that's what that is, and I just got some Velcro from Walmart. Hopefully this Velcro is going to be strong enough to attach here, and the little bit I tested it, it was. So I'm going to just cut off enough. I'm basically going to make this whole thing Velcro on the side, as you can see here. So I will cut it just short of what would be that whole side of this attachment. All right, so I've cut that off. This has a sticky side as well, so I will just peel this backing off. Make sure it sticks good to the Kydex. So I've got this, we're just gonna stick it on here. Make sure it smooths out and sticks real good. I could put some hot glue or something behind there if I wanted to as well. So now I can attach this to the inside of that. So now, pew-pew on one side, knife on the other, and that's gonna stay in there and stay attached really well. I could even I would maybe potentially shove it down in there more because it is sticking out quite a bit, but for right now I'm gonna leave it there. So it's a little bit more easily accessible than I'd want. I'd probably want it in a little more, but I don't want it to overlap with where the pistol is. So easy fix, cheap fix, way cheaper than, you know, buying one. So that's that. So the other thing, the problem I run into is a Glock 43 is great and the holster is great, but there are times I don't want to come in there loud and aggressive, and maybe I want to run something a little more silent and suppressed. The problem I run into is you cannot find a good holster for this any specific pistol, as well as it having the suppressor on there as well. So I decided with that extra Kydex, I'm going to make my own. So that's what I did here. I just used extra Kydex and those screws to make my own holster and form fit it around there. So again, same process. We're gonna put the Velcro here and I'll show you how that will look inside this system. I'm gonna start with just one sheet. I don't know that I'll need two. I've got room to put more than one piece of Velcro on there if I wanted to. So I've got the Velcro on this Kydex holster. I'll actually unholster it and then attach this in here where I think it'll go. And I'll actually put this on for this demonstration. All right, so I've got the Kydex holster over here for the suppressed pew-pew, and as you can see, fits good. Holster's right here, nice and easy. It doesn't feel like it sticks out real far. I was worried that it was gonna feel like it was shoved out real far. You can tell it's a little further out than normal, than you would normally feel like, but not anything crazy. So you've got that easily accessible. The Walmart Velcro seems to be holding it on really well. The Kydex holster itself that I made, that I've got 10, 15 bucks into each of these holsters, no problem at all. This one I'm gonna put a little further down in there, but I wanted to see how that pew-pew mounted in there without, so that I didn't hit the barrel of it on this. And now I can change that angle a little bit of this if I want. And I may want it to come out a little further sideways, but I just wanted to make sure this extended barrel does not hit on there. So I've got easy access to both of these. I've got them on my bino harness, so if I'm out scouting, a rattlesnake's coming right for me, I've got an easy access to it. I'm not gonna have to worry about the entire woods getting blown up and everything running away because it's not very loud. So I think Marsupial knocked this out of the park. I think they did a great thing by waiting to get it right before releasing something subpar. I've been on the fence about ordering some of the other ones. I'm glad I waited and got the Marsupial one. It's slim, it's inline, it's not sticking out crazy. This is the large or extra large one. This is way more room than I need. As you can see, this is a giant bino harness. So if this looks big, it's because this is the one that's too big for really what you need. But I love the modularity of it. You can put a phone here, you can put your release here. It just gives you way more pouches and way more accessibility to it. So Marsupial, hands down, did a great job, knocked out of the park. Again, not sponsored by them, I get nothing from them. I just think it's cool. I think they did a good job. So like, subscribe, stick around. We got lots more reviews and things like that, and looking at different materials and content and broadheads, bows, arrow setups. We're getting closer to deer season, so you definitely want to stick around to see that. Check out Marsupial. If you're buying an e-bike, RamboBikes.com. Use TripleRwoods at checkout. It'll save you a bunch of money. Walking's overrated. If you're out in the woods, you need to stay hydrated, you need a little energy bump, check out Black Flag. Free shipping, no tax. Save yourself some money using TripleRwoods, so check that out as well. Appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, stick around.